much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on. So here we go. Good morning. Back at Castaic. Gonna have another day of fishing here. It's very windy. Very, very windy. So it's the weekend right after all the storms that happened in LA. Hopefully we can still catch something. All right. At the lake. Fishing. So Polly already lost a couple. Where? Back over there? Yeah. Oh shit. Gotta run it. Come on, turn. So this whole area back here apparently is loaded. He's already lost a couple. I'm using a deep diver. It's a 9-foot diver. Rattle. Half ounce. It's a Bass Pro XPS. He's using a lipless crankbait with the sinking action. Slow sinking. No one weighs, I think, like half an ounce as well. And then later we're gonna try a trout imitation for striper, 7/8 ounce, slow sinking action as well. I don't know how. What? Alright, you guys are about to see birds nesting all day today. Because I'm not the biggest bait caster expert in the world. I'm a spinning reel. The only time I use conventional reels like this, or bait casters, is when I go ocean fishing, but I drop down. I don't really launch them like this. There you go. I want to use this one. Last time we came, I caught all of them. And it was on a similar lure, so let me do my thing. Last one to catch one buys lunch then. And you already got bites and I haven't, so. But I don't lose them. Oh, I just lost one. I just lost one. Dang it. Okay. We know they're here, boys. We know they're here. Come on. Bite me. Don't bite him. I don't want to buy the dinner today. Woo! At the boat. See, I'm not no bass fisherman. I'm a trout. When it comes to lake, I'm trout fisherman. The only type of bass I fish is calico. Work with me. Yeah, still no bird's nest. Well then. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh, we got the lifeguard. Wonder what they want. I just got blew up right now. Oh, dang it, man. I missed them. Mira. Here we go. What's the fish finder say? Shoot towards the wind. Woo! Right here, right here. Ooh. All right, I got it. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. It's okay. Goddamn recovery. Let's see. What the heck? Why did... Okay, it burned us that time. I don't know why. Damn, coming in fast. This one picked up out of nowhere. What is it? Oh, so funny. Oh, it's a big drop. Another big drop. So guess who's not buying lunch today? Woo! Damn, it's cold. Ready? First one. Yet again. Same spot? Let's go. I found them. I'm the first one. Yeah, they're all on that side. I'm looking out those. Okay. Not bad for a guy who doesn't know how to throw a bait caster. Stupid ducks, I see them now. I thought it was a striper boil. I was about to scream, boil! Yellows! I died very instantly. Stupid wind. Tírale.
No, ya me cansé. No, madre, ¿por qué crees?
Oh, God. I wasn't expecting that. Damn.
Got it?
No. No, I wasn't ready. Like I said, I wasn't expecting the bite. Fuck. I'm over here looking at the bird.
You have to be expecting the bite.
Well, I'm looking at the birds.
Saca los papitos de
Yeah.
de ti.
There's a big one right there.
Ah, pues no estamos agarrando.
Alright, let's go somewhere else. Come on.
Cacho, dijo el gabacho. No lo aprietes, no lo aprietes, espérate. Espérate. Espérate, gabacho.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
Mételo para arriba, mételo para arriba. Que no se enrede. No, ya se enredó.
No. I don't know what you meant. Every time we catch tuna, we...
No, this is fucking different. You don't catch a tuna with Richie.
Ah, que puedo agarrar un hielo con este.
Ay,
Con este lure. Ay, güey. You killed it. Strike two.
pero no la desatoras, hijo de la verga. No te quedas ahí parado.
I'm holding a rod.
Put it down.
You got one?
Mm-hmm.
Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. No!
Piece of shit.
Come on, dude. And you bird's nest. Oh, you got one. Shit. Come here. Come here. Woo. Ah, it's a largie.
Dámelo.
Where? Well, how much bigger do you want it? Largemouth. Alright. Mike's still out there.
¿No da?
Hmm?
¿No da?
Know what?
¿Lo tiro, da?
Yes, it's just trophies. Oh, there we go. Bye bye. Yeah.
Ok, no lo saque la cabeza, ¿ok? Que no saque la cabeza. ¿Ves cómo yo agarré el mío?
Whoa.
Sí, así, espérate, espérate. Acércalo para acá. Acércalo para acá.
Espérate. They're right here. And this is exactly where I caught him on the troll. Oh, I lost one earlier on the troll. Damn it. But looks like I got him back.
Ójale.
I'm trying. I gotta go around. There we go. Relax, buddy. Did it break off?
Yeah,
No, it didn't.
te salió. Échalo al agua.
You got one too?
Yep.
Woo! We're on them, baby. We're on them. Come on. Come on. Damn it. Hold on. Chill. Chill. Guess. Are you serious?
Yeah. Serious, pues, ¿qué crees? Desconecta tu anzuelo.
Ahí voy, ahí voy. Again. Damn it. Se te fue. That's two. That's two. Let's see if we can catch a hookup on camera. Ojalá. A ver si puedo agarrar un hookup en la cámara. Porque siempre pienso filmar después de ya tenerlos. Y pues aquí hay un piquete. Maybe right now is the time. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, here goes a long dreaded walk. God. It's a long way up. Yes, it is. Well, alternate between thighs and calves. Thighs and calves. Jeez. Alright, we made it to the truck. Whew. That was quite a climb. Yeah, it's been raining. It's dirty in here. Leave me alone. Ugh. Let's get the boat and get out of here. And there he is. Okay. Now just to make this U-turn. Rate my backing skills in the comments below. Jesus. Push it. ¿Tienes la soga?
Fíjate aquí, mete más, aquí me bajo ahorita.
Try not to make you get wet. Fine then. Get wet. It's on you, buddy boy. You haven't even touched it. Pero pues no te quitan los calcetines.
Los huevillos se me fueron para arriba.
Más.
¿Ah?
Más. Ah, then you did the wrong one.
¿Ah?
You did the wrong one then.
No.
No? Okay. Oh my God. Ahí está el... Oh no. It's over here.
Vamos a cortar las cañas.
¿Eh?
Ahí vamos a meter.
Ahí no. Ahí déjalas. Ahí déjalas. Oh, but... Aquí de este lado.
¿Cortó ahí de?
Oh, no, no, no. Pero, no, quítaselo. Es quick release. There we go. The keys are in there. Oh, están aquí.
Allá estaba otro sinker.
¿Ves? Dijiste que no.
¿Qué te laqueado?
Sí.
Ese también lo laqueaste.
¿Mm?
Ese lo laqueaste.
Oh. Entonces estabas laqueado. Todo porque no podías abrir.
No sé.
Come on, man. Turn it. There you go. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
¿Esa qué?
Tengo que reacomodar todo acá. Porque esas no van
Esa
a...
déjala afuera, me la voy a llevar para la noche.
Okay. Voy a meter las light ones allá de aquel lado. Now we know which one's which. Okay, we'll keep that one in there, and then we'll keep this one. Beautiful.